Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here in the quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve the Windows Update error message 0x80073701 that you're experiencing on your Windows 11 computer. So typically this error message would be associated with various issues that are wrong during the installation process of Windows updates. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on how to resolve the issue, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in troubleshoot, best match, come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, underneath options, you want to select other troubleshooters. And then underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update troubleshooter and the corresponding run button. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and select close. Close out of here. Open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, come back with command prompt. Right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I'm going to have a couple of commands in the description of my video, guys. Go ahead and copy the first one. It's the system file checker utility scan. And then go up the top bar of the command prompt window once you've copied it. Right click on the top bar, select edit and paste it in. Hit enter to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and copy the second command in the description of my video. It's the DISM command. And then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window again, right click on it, select that in, paste that in, hit enter. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart the computer. Okay, so there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point, if you go ahead and proceed to check for updates, you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.